guys, second video of the day. Aren't I efficient? And today is my Look Fantastic box. My name's Fawn, this is my channel and it's a happy place. I do unboxings like Look Fantastic, I do shopping hauls, I do, well, all kinds of everything. And today, I'm looking grim. So, if you feel like me, then please do give me a thumbs up, click subscribe and leave a comment. I'm tired today, really tired today, not helped by snivelling through a video this morning. It's the afternoon now, it's 2:30 and my Look Fantastic box has been calling out to me since it was delivered at 10 this morning, so I've decided to do it and just sort of spoil myself a bit, like I need an excuse to spoil myself. So it's pink to make the boys wink. My youngest grandson loves pink, pink is his favourite colour. Open it up and inside you have the Edit, which funny enough, of course Cohort called their magazine the Edit, and then it's all beautifully wrapped. So let's get into it. I'm going to try and keep this video a bit shorter. I'm not very good at short videos. Here we go. And what does the Edit say? It says it's time to blossom. I think I might have blossomed a bit too much. My youngest grandson just told me that I've got a big tummy and a big bum. Ah, you've got to love children, haven't you? Right, so number one, you've got a 1.1 and a 1.2. Can you see? 1.1 and a 1.2. So it's either a Nails Ink nail polish, which is what I've got, or it could have been a highlighter and eyeshadow by Bella Pierre. I've got the nail polish, again, Nails Ink. So much Nails Ink stuff at the moment, guys. Have you noticed? Lovely colour though. I've already got a very pink Nails Ink. This is a slightly more like a petal pink. That's what I would call it. What do they call them? Glasses. They're calling it Mayfair Lane. Okay, Mayfair Lane. But that's a really nice colour. I will definitely use that colour. So, yeah, I'm happy to get it. What does the book say? No prices. I wish they did. It's a salon quality nail polish. This natural pale pink colour is shiny and highly pigmented, perfect for creating a wide range of nail looks. No streaking, gloss finish, no need for multiple strokes, plumping technology for a smooth, imperfection-free promise. Promise? Finish! Oh. How to use brush it on your nails. I mean, you know, but I'm happy. I like that. I like that one. So number two is Glove Scrub-X. What is it? A tool designed to both exfoliate and treat cracked, chapped lips and encourage blood circulation for a fuller pout. Expect to see results immediately. You dampen the Scrub-X with water and gently scrub your lips, avoiding too much pressure. Follow with your favourite lip balm for juicy, kissable lips. Don't use it more than once every 4 days and you wash it in your washing machine at 40 degrees. So it's like a... I'm never going to use this thing, guys. I'm going to show you anyway. I mean, would I send this to someone? I'm not sure I would, but I'm not going to use it, so... I might send it to someone, they'll know that I've opened the box, but that's all. So it looks like that. And you shove your fingers in it, and then you use it to rub your lips. And it's made out of, I don't know what that's made out of. Yeah, I'm not sure that I'd want to rub my lips with that. I have a feeling that that could really, really provoke. Because I was told, you know, the more you use lip gloss, the more your lips will require lip balm. You know, the more you interfere with them, the more you provoke a reaction with them. I don't know if that's true or not, but I am lucky. It's very rare that I get proper now chapped lips. And I know some people, it's the bane of their life. Anyway, that's the Scrub-X. Yeah, bit of a weird one, I think, that one. Bit of a weird one. Okay, next is a sheet mask. Wouldn't be a box without a sheet mask, would it? And this one is by Beauty Pro. So it's a plant-based range. This one has a rose infused sheet mask. Rose, chamomile and seaweed. I like the idea of a rose one, and it's calming and hydrating. Rose things usually are classed in the sort of the calming zone, aren't they? I don't know what it is about a rose that makes it calming. It's a botanical-based face mask formulated to heal and soothe, part of Beauty Pro's plant-based range filled with superfood ingredients that act as anti-inflammatories to minimise redness, anti-aging and great for targeting oily blemished skin. Also fully biodegradable. That's nice. It's Bulgarian rose and made from bamboo fibres. Put it on your face and leave for 15 to 20 minutes. This might be a good Mask Monday one. Next, I have a Ren Global Protection Day Cream. A daily moisturiser enriched with a powerful blend of antioxidants. Oh my God. And soothing seed oils to calm and nourish your skin. Designed to protect against dehydration and external aggressors, to tackle signs of premature aging. Sesame seed oil, camellia seed oil, shea butter, orange peel oil and sunflower seed oil. A lot of oils in that. I do like Ren products. I think Ren is quite a good range. I've never had a nasty reaction. In fact, it does say on here, sensitive. Never had, they're very gentle. I've never had a flare-up from anything that was Ren. I've itched with some other things, but not this. I'm not going to open it because I've got lots of moisturisers on the go. So that may end up in a giveaway box at some point. But yeah, I'm happy. And then, believe it or not, Avant. Now, after having the cohorted Avant box, again, there must be something going on with Avant at the moment because there's a lot of it around. This is the Pink Orchid Hyaluronic Glycerin White Peony. It's a restoring overnight serum, so very nice. It's a, how big is that? 30 mils, so that's a fair size. It helps hydrate the skin, combat signs of stress and fatigue. I think I better open this and just lather it all on. Formulated to support your skin when it's most susceptible to treatment. Pink Orchid is an ingredient that improves skin elasticity and plumps out fine lines and wrinkles for a more youthful appearance with regular use. I didn't know that about Pink Orchids. Massage a pea-sized amount onto the skin every night after cleansing and toning. Well, Avant products, as you know from the cohorted, and as I know from the cohorted box, very expensive. So that's probably a very expensive item in this box. I think the cheapest Avant thing was sort of like £72 or something. So even if we say it's the cheapest, it won't be because it's a serum, but it's got to be at least 70 quid's worth. So it makes the box very good value. Last, but by no means least, although for me, very least, these will be going in a box. Allure false eyelashes. They're the 3/4 length, light and wispy. It's got a little glue, I think, down in the bottom there. Is that glue? Yeah. Lightweight lashes to give your makeup look a bit of added oomph. With a wing designed to elongate the eyes, designed to give fullness while still looking delicate. Quick to apply and gentle to remove with glue included. Top tip, cut each lash in half and stick on the outer corners of your eyes. Not only will this give you additional pair of lashes, but it's perfect if you're wanting a subtle makeup look. Now look, I'm going to come in close. Look at this. I have almost no. Can you imagine if I cut those in half and put like that on there? I would look really weird because I've got the shortest, stubbiest eyelashes the world has ever seen, and I mean they're hidden under the under the hood. I would love to have like a brow lift or something so that this opened up a little bit, but I'd probably end up looking really startled, wouldn't I? So these are not going to work for me. So these will definitely go into a giveaway box. But I know that Allure, you know, they're a good brand. They're a good thing. These are reusable for 5 wears. And they've got an 18-hour hold. And it shows a before and after picture of the eyes. Yeah. Maybe I'll try it one day and you guys can all have a cackle like I cackle whenever I've tried anything like this in the past. I did try them for my youngest daughter's wedding, so that's going back 6 years ago, something like that. I looked, words fail me, and in fact I actually took them off, peeled them off in the car on the way to the wedding, because I just kept looking in the mirror going, what? Because it just looked ridiculous, because I have no eyelashes normally, and the shape of my eyes, it just was not a good look. Anyway, that's me. So let's see if there's anything else in the book before I go back through. There's facts about squalane, which is like an oil, isn't it? Squalane. There's an article about clean beauty. The spring clean beauty bundle is coming. Behind the theme of blossom for this one. Then there's face mapping. That might be interesting. So you look at an area of your face and you look and see if you've got the problems, and then it will tell you what you should do to deal with those problems. I mean, there's never anything about, you know, looking old. You know, can we have a pot of something that says, make me look 18? Although I don't want to be 18 again. I had the most horrific acne. Make me 30 again. My skin was pretty good when I was 30. Spots had gone, not too wrinkly, not too baggy. So coming up next month is an Aspire product worth £18.66. It's a 24-hour replenishing eye moisturiser. You know I love eye things. So that's what's coming in the May box. And the May box is all about celebrating sunnier days. May is my birthday. May is a wonderful month. So that was it. That's what's in the booklets. And then what was in the box is the eyelashes, the face mask, the very pretty nail polish, the Ren Daily Moisturiser, this odd thing for scrubbing your lips, very odd. And I think probably this is the sort of, as my dad used to say, piece of resistance, is the Avant Overnight Night Serum. Overnight Night Serum? You know what I mean. So that was a good box. I'm happy with that box. I've been a bit gloomy about Look Fantastic and Glossy box last month. I was a bit sort of underwhelmed, but that's a very good box and I'm very happy with it. So I'm really pleased with myself managing 2 videos today. In amongst babysitting and everything else. So now I've just got to go and edit this and get it up. The sun is still shining, the snow is still falling periodically. You wouldn't believe it. Looking out there now, it looks like a summer's day. It looks glorious. And then it suddenly snows like mad. So wherever you are, I hope you're getting the sun and not the snow. Okay, I'll see you soon, guys. Bye.